Gayatri here. In this video, I'm going to cover everything that you can do on Typedream and how to start building them. So before we begin, I'd like to point out a few things. You can ask for help anytime by clicking the Help and Resources button, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. We also have a documentation where you can search for help articles, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. So Typedream is an all-in-one tool for running your digital creator business, and we have a few features that can help you with that. The first one is Sell Digital Products, where you can build checkout pages and accept payments for your digital products and links. To help you sell more effectively, we also have a landing page builder and a link in bio builder. The landing page builder is a simple drag and drop builder and it's very easy to use. You can start from scratch or use a template and customize it to your liking. The link in bio builder is a grid-based editor that allows you to highlight important links or group together a series of links in a swappable card. To help you grow and engage with your audience, we offer 3 more features. They are forms, email marketing, and blogs. With forms, you can start collecting emails on your landing page or create a contact form or any other forms that you need. With email marketing, you can start sending emails to contacts from your forums, from your product customers, or upload your own mailing list. With blogs, you can start writing a blog and share valuable content to your audience. Alright, so let's get started. This is your dashboard where you can find all of your content and settings. In this dashboard, you'll see tabs for each type of content. The All tab will contain all kinds of content that you've made, web pages, link in bio, products. You can filter to see only specific types of content by clicking the tabs, or you can also see them on the left on the tree-like structure. When you first start, some of these tabs might be empty because you haven't created anything. To get started, click the Add New button to start making anything that you want. You can also do this by clicking the plus sign on the left sidebar next to each type of content. In addition to your content, you'll find settings for your site on the left sidebar, such as site settings, custom domain, analytics, etc. If you click settings, you can access more detailed settings options. And that's it. We're all excited to see what you build on Typedream. Don't forget to tweet it and tag @TypedreamHQ.